The Kaabah in the time of Ibrahim was rectangular. And then when the Prophet ﷺ was 35 years old, the Kaabah was destroyed. So the idol worshippers in Mecca said, we're going to rebuild Al-Kaabah using only the halal money. Meaning we won't use any money that came out of usurious gain, which is al-riba. Because in their time there was something very famous which is called riba al-qard, يعني usurious gain out of debts. For example, the person used to give you 1,000, let's say, dinar as a debt with a condition that you're gonna bring it back in a year 1,100. So this extra 100 is considered to be a usurious gain that is haram in Islam. And even back then in their time, they used to know that the money that they used to gain out of usurious gain was not a good money. So they said, we're gonna rebuild Al-Kaabah with only halal money, meaning not involved in any usurious gain. So they started building from there, يعني from the corner of the black stone and the corner we call Al-Rukn Al-Yamani. The corner we call it the Rukn Yamani because it faces Al-Yaman. So they started from the corner of the black stone and the corner Al-Yamani, and they started to move on until they reached a place where they ran out from the halal money. So this is where they decided to close Al-Kaabah here. And this is how Al-Kaabah started to have this square shape that you see now. In the time of Ibrahim, it was what? It was rectangular. In the time of Ibrahim, it wasn't square. So when the Prophet was 35 years old, what happened? They rebuilt Al-Kaabah and it was square. It was square like you know it now, and they closed it with a wall. But on this wall, where you see the spout from the ceiling, the spout from which the water will go down when it rains. So this wall where you see the spout, because the Kaabah doesn't end here, they didn't build the Shazarwan. There is something called Ash-Shazarwan. Ash-Shazarwan, it is in the end of the wall of Al-Kaabah. There's something like that. It's like stones like that. This is Ash-Shazarwan, and it is considered to be from the Kaabah. This is why when you circumambulate Al-Kaabah, you cannot circumambulate Al-Kaabah while having something from your body above that Shazarwan, or you will be considered like you are walking inside Al-Kaabah, and this is what you don't want to do. You want to circumambulate Al-Kaabah, outside of Al-Kaabah. Do you understand? So if you go to Mecca, or if you have a picture for the Kaabah, you see that on that wall where we have the spout, there is no Shazarwan. Why? To inform the people that the Kaabah doesn't end here. The Kaabah doesn't finish here from this side. And then you have this wall here where we have the spout, and then 8 meters away you see like what? The ark that is known by Hijr Ismail. It is like a half circle. From that wall, 8 meters, you will see the center of this U. The center of this U. And from this wall where you have the spout until about 3 meters inside this U, this is Kaabah. And this area is called Al-Hatim. You know the jinn that told the people, if you arrive to Al-Hatim and Zamzama, Al-Hatim, it is this place that was destroyed from Al-Kaabah and wasn't rebuilt again. So Al-Hatim is considered to be from the Kaabah. Where is Al-Hatim now? From that wall where you have the spout until 3 meters inside the U that is called Hijr Ismail. This is why one day Lady Aisha radiallahu anha said to Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, I feel like praying inside Al-Kaabah. So he took her from her hand and he put her under the spout. It means in this 3 meters area. And he said, pray here. It means outside of the walls of the Kaabah. Pray here, it will be as if you prayed inside Al-Kaabah.